LinkedIn is the biggest opportunity online for you to get clients for your business. Whether you are a coach, a consultant, or sell any type of high ticket product or service, LinkedIn is the place to be. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how to organically get clients from LinkedIn using a proven strategy. A little bit about myself. I am a LinkedIn coach myself. I teach and coach others how to get LinkedIn clients, and I break it all down. So pay attention to this video because we're going to dive in deep. Ready? See you there. Bye. All right, so without any further ado, let's dive in. So the three foundations, the three fundamentals of client acquisition on LinkedIn, which means to get clients on LinkedIn, are traffic, content, and conversions. So what does this all mean? In simple terms, traffic means bringing new buyers into your network on a daily basis, right? Because imagine you're creating content all the time, or you're messaging people, but you don't have any new people coming into your network. Well, then your leads and everything go real dry real quick. But if you're bringing new buyers into your network on LinkedIn, this will immediately bring increased revenue, increased sales. So always make sure that you are bringing in new buyers. You can use that using the advanced tool, the advanced search tool in LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, whatever. But the number one thing that you need to be doing is bringing new potential buyers. And it's very important that they are your target market, not just your average Joe, that you're adding for the sake of increasing followers. Second thing is content. Obviously, quite self-explanatory. The purpose of content is to build trust and authority with your new growing audience, Perfect. And the last part here is conversions. Having a system to turn those viewers into buyers, turning viewers into buyers, right? So these are the three fundamentals. Number one, you need to be bringing new potential buyers into your network on a daily basis. Number two is that once you have these new buyers coming in, you need to build trust and authority with this new audience, and by publishing high value content to engage them. And last thing from the back end is you need a conversion system to turn those viewers into buyers. Now, what's the goal of all this activity that we're doing, right? The conversion system, the content, the traffic. It is simply twofold. Number one, to generate sales calls. If you are selling a high ticket service, the only way people are going to buy from you is if they get on the phone with you and speak to you, right? So you need to, number one, generate calls, and then your goal from those calls is to convert those calls into paying clients. This is the name of the game. This is how you get clients on LinkedIn. So at first, like I said, you're bringing in new buyers on a daily basis, right? That's traffic. Every day there's new people looking at your content, looking at your profile on LinkedIn. After that, they see your content. Guess what? The trust is now established. And then last thing, you are now converting these people. You are booking calls, right? That is the point of the conversion, to book those calls, turn those viewers into potential buyers. And then once you have them on the calls, your goal is to convert those viewers into actual buyers when you have them onto a sales call. Now, that all makes sense? Let's continue. So now let's dive into how do you actually do all this? How do you get those viewers to actually buy from you? How do you get these people to actually book calls with you on LinkedIn to learn more about your services? Well, I'm going to show you this right now. So now we are on my LinkedIn profile. And the purpose of your LinkedIn profile is you need to treat your LinkedIn profile like a landing page. The purpose of a landing page is to direct someone to a course of action. Now that can either be directly to a sales call, it can be to a free webinar, VSL, training video, whatever, ebook, anything you have, but the goal is to direct them somewhere. The worst thing you can do is have someone come onto your profile, think, oh, you're awesome. Nothing else to do here. Let me leave. Right? Then you've lost them forever. But at least if you have a next step. So for example, if you look at my profile over here, what happens when you come on my profile? Learn how to get new clients using LinkedIn, video below. Then where do they go? I direct them to watch a training video. They'll click on this link to watch a training video. And now we bring them to this opt-in page where we're going to say, hey, if you want to watch this free training video, just give us your name and email. They'll put in their name and email. Let's just say joe@gmail.com. Just for the sake of example. Okay, watch the free training video. Bang. So now we're officially on the video page. Now in this training video, I educate them. I teach them on a granular level how to get clients from LinkedIn, similar to what I'm teaching to you on this video. Now, the key is at the end of this video, I say, hey, look, If you love what you learned in this video and you want to work one-on-one with me and see how we could potentially work together so that you can get more clients, schedule a call with me. Then I have this button here that pops up that says schedule my call now. They click on that link. I bring them to my Calendly where they can now literally book a call. They find a time that works for them, bang, schedule it out, and the call is then confirmed. And that is how you can book sales calls on LinkedIn. It's very straightforward. Now, think about it. I have people every single day looking at my profile. I have over, just in the last little while, 1,680 views on my LinkedIn profile. These people have all looked at my profile, and guess what? The first thing they see is an opportunity to watch a training video. Once they watch this training video, they book a call. I am booking myself 20 to 25 calls every single week just through this method that I'm showing you right now. So what I encourage you to do is update your LinkedIn profile, create it, turn it into a landing page just like this so that when people come on, there's something for them to do. There's a route for them to book a call with you, for them to learn more about your services. Do this and this will immediately increase your sales call volume and ultimately bring you more high-paying clients. Oh, one more thing, please like this video. It does everything for me, right? When you like this video, it sends the algorithms to show it to more people who would also benefit from this video, and also helps me keep creating content that'll benefit you too. So like that video, smash it right now. It'll help a ton. So we just went through a run through of how to get high-paying clients from LinkedIn on a regular basis. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to it in terms of implementing it and making sure you do it right. So to help you out with that part, what we can do is we can have a one-on-one call, you and I, where I'll personally sit down with you and show you how to implement this system the right way so that you can consistently get more clients for your business. The only thing I'm going to ask is that you schedule the call with me. So I've put my calendar link in the description below. Just click on that link, schedule the call, and we will be good to go. So look forward to speaking with you. Click on that link below in the description to schedule the call. We'll talk soon. See you later. Bye-bye.